This is the Safe Walk, Play Walk Community Project. Here is the 2022-2023 team members.
In 2020, the International Plaza was opened in the Rochester El Camino neighborhood. The goals of the plaza include promoting small businesses and celebrating the area's diverse cultures. Our project focused on creating a safer, more inclusive environment for young children ages 1 to 10 and implementing an updated version of the previous team's information post design.
A unique feature of our design process was that we focused heavily on community input. Our team engaged in a number of community events at and around the International Plaza to get ideas, feedback, and to know the people that live in the El Camino neighborhood. Through this collaboration, we were able to design a functional and cohesive project. This spring, our team started purchasing and manufacturing for our designs. One of our parts that required additional testing were the gyro frogs. The frogs will be mounted to a metal plate, so we needed to test how the frogs sounded when they were mounted to metal, wood, or rubber matting. We were also able to start manufacturing in the shop this semester, so we were cutting wood and other pieces for our information post design. Some of our expected results are outdoor musical instruments that will be installed along the sidewalk outside of the plaza. These include tongue drums, a rain wheel, and gyro frogs.
Bureau also wanted an information post to be installed in the plaza with the location decided based on the city and community requirements. Using the feedback from the previous team and the community, design for the information post was modified. The current design has 2 information sides for posters along with 2 different sides to entertain children. One side with games and one side with puzzles, and the last side has a bench and a blank panel that is intended for art.
During our design process, we had to make decisions based on our budget and also on the manufacturability of different parts of our design. Some changes that we made had to deal with our material choice, and some had to deal with the ease of manufacturing.
We'd like to give thanks to our guide, Sarah Brunel. Thank you to Miguel Melendez and Gildred Aponte, our primary partners for my bureau. Thank you to Jim Farr, Sarah Scott, and Ellen Safa from the City of Rochester. We'd also like to give special acknowledgments to a project partner who passed away last semester. Dawn Bird Belmonte helped get this project in motion and gave us great advice. She was very passionate about her community, so the team is dedicating the bench on the info post in her honor.